Alright, so this is a screen of the Mac, and it went black while updating Mac OS. While updating, yeah, there it is, 20 minutes remaining. So the screen goes black while updating Catalina. Alright, there we go, 20 minutes remaining. It is October the 14th, 2020. There we go. And it is about 25 minutes after 11. Okay, 20 minutes remaining, and I am going to stop recording now. And just to confirm that while uploading or installing Mac OS Catalina, the screen continues to go black. All right, and I'm going to stop now. Stop.